Hello class. So today we will be starting page number 13 of English Literature workbook. In the last video we have done page number 12, the choose the correct answers and the question answers. Now we will be doing page number 13, that is vocabulary part. First is circle the correct spelling. In this there are 3 spellings given. You have to choose the right one. Here M-O-U-T-H, mouth, is the correct one. This is a body part. You all know that. Second, rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T, is the correct spelling of the rabbit. It's an animal. Third, S-H-O-E, shoe. What do we wear in our legs? So it is a thing and this is the correct spelling. Fourth, elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant is an animal and this is the correct spelling of the elephant. Fifth is honey. It is a thing, sweet thing. So H-O-N-E-Y, honey, is a correct spelling of this. First, mouth. Second, rabbit. Third, shoe. Fourth, animal. Fifth, honey. Now children, come to the next part, that is the B part. Write these words in the correct column. Now here there are few words given. What you have to do is, there are 2 columns given. The first column is the movement word. The second column is the sound word. So you have to choose from these words that which is the movement, which word tells you the movement, and which words tell you the sound. Got it? So we will be starting with this. Spin. Spin is a movement. Spin is a type of thing which spins. It spins at a particular place, or it spins in different direction. So spin is a movement. Second, hop. Hop is what? Hop is a movement again. Hopping, you do hopping, that is a hop, is a movement again. Slide, then slide is also a movement. Slide is what? Slide is also a movement when we slide on the sliders. Then fizz. Fizz is a voice. Have you children, all of you have heard about Appy Fizz? Yes or no? Appy Fizz you have heard? And you have drank also? So when we open that bottle, that small bottle of Appy Fizz, some voice is coming out. From that voice, and then some soda, that bubbles are coming out. That is called as the fizz. Now the next is the splash. What is that? Splash. Splash is this one. Splash is this one. When we splash, like colors are splashed in drawing, so this is splash. The second is whir. It is a sound. Whir is a sound. W-H-I-R-R. Then next word is sweep. When we do sweeping in the home, or anywhere when we do the sweeping, or sweep. Sweep is a movement. Then the next is scream. When the students are screaming or the child screams, so it's just like shouting. So scream is a sound which mainly is made by the children. Crackle. Crackle is again a sound of bursting crackers. So crackling. Then it can be of many things, but this is a crackle is a sound. Boom. This is when something burst, or suddenly a boom type sound you are listening, that is a boom. Then the next is slip. S-L-I-P, slip. Slip is what? When we slip from a particular place. So when we are slipping, we are shifting from one place to another. So we are slipped. By chance we slipped from stairs. So that is a kind of movement. Then point. point. Point is a movement. From a particular point, we can make a line and we can go in any direction. Suppose I can give you one example, like I am drawing this point over here. Yes? Now from this point, you can make different kinds of lines in any direction. So this is showing the movement, not a sound. So this is a point, this is the sound. Again, I am repeating for you all. Spin, a movement. Slip, again a movement. Sweep, a movement. Point, a movement. Slide, a movement. Hop, a movement. Crackle, a sound. Boom, a sound. Scream, a sound. Whir, a sound. Fizz is also a sound, and splash is also a sound. So here goes with A and B. Now in the next part, we will be doing the grammar portion of choose the correct options for do and does. In this, I have to explain where we are using do and does. Then you will be able to do the correct options of do and does. Till then, children, be safe. Thank you.